This conference will now be recorded.
I am muted. Okay, so everybody can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
One person. Yes, yes. Okay. So we'll go to the effects. Here we have different kinds of effects are there. Okay, so just write it down this option: drop shadow, contour, blend, distort, and envelope extrude. So these many options are there. Okay, so these are the text effects. Okay, so these effects we can apply for text also, and we can apply for the images also. Okay, so what I will do, I will take a text here. Okay, so we can apply these on the shapes and images and text. Okay, so these are the different kinds of effects. Okay, so this is very important effects. So what I will do, I will take this text tool and I will type the text. Okay, so I will increase the size of the text, and you change how whichever the font you want. So always take the bold font. Okay, that means I will type it with the capital letter. Okay, so you take nice font, like don't take something like this kind of font. Means this is also okay, but don't take this kind of italic font and all. So you have to see the effects means nicely. So you have to take some of this kind of thing. So what I will do, I will go to here. I have an options called drop shadow. So I will select this drop shadow, and from right side to left side, I'm just dragging from one side to here. Okay, see, I'm just showing you people once again. I'm joining from right to left side. Who are not able to join for the class, everybody join. Everybody join for the class. Who is not joined? Who is that? Shrija. Shrija is unable to join for the class. Is she joined now? Shrija. She is a new student. Shrija is a new student.
Yes, ma'am.
I think she's a new student. I didn't heard her name. This is the starting. One second. Okay. Let us see. We'll help her to join. Okay. We'll go to the CorelDraw, and so you have to from right side to left side you have to take the drop shadow. Okay, so here whenever you do the drop shadow here, can you see here in the property window we have an option here. So we have to give the background color. So we have to give the background color. See here, whatever the means drop shadow color, this is something which is related to drop shadow. So this is a drop shadow color. And here we have multiple options are there. How much transparency we have to, suppose we want more darker of the drop shadow. Okay, so when we are doing the poster designs, when next we are doing some advertisement design, so that time we are using all these effects and all. So here, if you don't want this much drop shadow, compared to other software, we don't have more effects here. So only very less effects we have. That only we have to use it. And look at here. Can you see this one small point over this? So that is again for the transparency. It has become transparency like this. It has become darker and it has become brighter over like this. Okay. So it has become like this. Okay, transparency like this. Okay, so if you select now like this, see you don't get the effects. Okay, double click on this. See, again the effect has come. So when the effect is there, that means you will get this kind of line over here. So I will click on here and all these options are there. See here, this is the rotation of the shadow. So wherever you want, you can. So whatever the tools you people are taking, so in that you will have a option like this. Okay, once all the tools will get finished, so we have to concentrate only on the lettered design, poster designs, pamphlet designs. All this designing will start. Okay, so you people are struggling with the logo designing only. So now all the works you have to take it as serious and you have to start to do the work. Okay, see here we have an option. So any of the rotation you can do it. Otherwise, see here you have to select this point. Can you see that arrow mark in the right side? You have to bring it like this. Okay, you have to bring it like this, and we have the option like this. Okay, any of the color changes, those things and all, you can do it here. Okay, so it will smudge, means it will spread. Okay, the shadow is getting spread. Okay, so here we have different options are there. If I keep it like this normal, there is no much changes and all. Invert, so just very small changes and all happening. We will come back for this again. Okay, just control Z, you can do it. Okay, so the same thing. If I change the text for this now, see, look at here. Now I will change the text. See, according to the text, automatically the shadow will get changed. Okay, see, if you double click on this, the text will come. You can type it any other things, any some O I typed here. Okay, so automatically it will change. See, if you have to double click, if you want shadow, so you have to select somewhere. Let us see, the shadow will come. Yeah, I select on this. Yeah, I'll select this shadow, drop shadow, and I will click on here. You will get this option. Okay, so everybody is getting right. You can change the font, whatever the fonts you want, you can do the changes of this thing. I'll keep it here. Whatever the work I have did, I will keep it in page 1, page 2, like that. I will keep it like this only. So double click on this drop shadow. I will change the background color. Okay. Yeah. Suppose you want to more bright. Okay. Okay. You can bring it down here also. Okay. Select this is the starting point and this is the ending point. So you want exactly backside of this text, means you can keep it like this. See, exactly backside of the text. Okay, suppose you want to check I want to only change the color of the text, not with the shadow. Only I'll select on this. Okay, so you can change the color of the text. Okay, so okay. Anybody having any doubt with this? Okay, same where and all we can apply this one. So here we have different shapes are there. So we can apply for this shape also. Okay, we can apply for this kind of shape also. Any of the shapes we can apply. Okay, so I'll just select any of the thing. Again, I'll go to the drop shadow and I will just add the shape. Who is joined? Yeah, Shrija is joined. Okay, okay. Look at this. The thing. If you bring it here means the shadow will go somewhere here, this side. So always whether you have to take it from right to left or left to right. See, I'm taking the shadow from here to here also you can take it, no problem. Otherwise from the top to bottom also you can take it. Okay, bottom to top also you can take it. Okay, so that is the thing. From right to left side I'm taking and change the color of the shadow. Okay, so how much ever dark you want, how much ever light color you want, you can do the changes of this. And smudging, see it is spreaded completely, it is spreaded. You have to check which option we can use it. This one, see, it is more spreading here. Yeah, check the option. Yeah, it is more spreading here. So if I'll keep it here, it will become sharp. Okay, just give it, I'll just give the value here 2. I'll give the 2. You got it? So here if it is not working, it is not becoming what you are getting exactly means, so you just give the value here 5. I'll give 5 means it will become little blur. Okay, so 3 I'll give like this. If I'll give 1, it will become completely sharp. Still there is a blurriness is there. I'll just, what I'll do, I'll give 0. It has become completely sharp here. Okay, so what you have to do, I'll just give 5. Okay, see this is the shadow, drop shadow. Okay, shadow always will not be sharp. Okay, so like this you have to do it. Okay, anybody having any doubt? What I am doing the same thing, only you people have to do the experiment. Don't use the creativity now itself. Okay, just copy the thing what I'm saying. Later I will give you people when assignment, so that time you can do it. Okay, so try to copy the same thing first. Okay, now for this I will place the image. So what I'll do, I'll go to the, yeah, page 1, page 2 is there, page 3. So you people don't know how to insert the image here. Okay, so I will teach you people how to insert the image. I'll go to file, import. There is an option called import. Shortcut is control I, and control I is the shortcut. In online exams they will ask you people what is the shortcut of import. Okay, so you have to go file, import, and I will take some of the image desktop. I have some images, CorelDraw. Yeah, I want to copy the same image, so I will go to this BMW logo. Just I will import it. Now what happened, you can see this sign, the angle kind of sign, you can see it. Okay, I'll click on here. See, the image has come now. Okay, so what you have to do, file, import, and you have to select whatever the images. I will click on this. You can select whatever the images you want, import. See here, I just click it like this. Okay, you have to click on that. Okay, here you can increase the size of the image and you can decrease the size of the image. Whatever the things you want, you can do it here. You can increase the size of the image and decrease the size of the image. Okay, So what I will do, there is an option of drop shadow. Okay, I will give it for image also. Drop shadow options, I'll give it for image. So I will select this one, and there is an option called here again drop shadow. I will select this drop shadow, and from right to left, left to right, see I'm giving here. So for the image I'm giving the drop shadow. Okay, I'll change the color of this drop shadow. I will change the color of the drop shadow. Same option only. You have to use it. Okay. The two, how much ever this thing you want, you can select this option. Okay. So select the image, how much ever percentage you want. Select that much only. So select the image. Okay. See, if you select it like this, only image is selecting. If you select on this drop shadow, you can do the changes of the drop shadow. Okay, you will get how much blur it should come. Okay, select the image and go to the drop shadow, and yeah, like this, from right to left, left to right, wherever you want you can do it. From right to left, left to right, so you can use it. Okay, yeah. So like this you have to give the drop shadow, and you can change the colors whatever the colors you want. So like this you can give the color. Anybody having any doubt? Pooja Ashok, Prapujita, Pooja Ashok. I didn't get assignment from you till now.
Ma'am, I sent you, ma'am.
Prap- When you sended me? Yeah, tell
See,
me.
ma'am.
What assignment? Yeah, when you sended me, what assignment you sended me?
I sent two logos and I sent my name logo also, ma'am.
Okay, Pooja Ashok P. Let me check. Okay, what about Prapujita Urvashi Pal? I didn't get any assignment from you. And Priyanka S. Next, Sadia.
Ma'am, I have sent it in the group.
I have also
Okay,
sent it,
Priyanka
ma'am, on the
S.
group.
Lavanya Agarwal.
Ma'am,
Sadia
I've
did,
sent it on the
yes,
group.
she placed one H. Okay, Hive Design Studio.
No,
Okay.
ma'am, I made another one after that. I made two.
Archana KP did the visiting card design.
Ma'am, I made two logos, ma'am. You asked me for correction, I did that.
Okay, Noor Urvashi Pal did this visiting card design. Okay. Lavanya Agarwal did the visiting card design. Okay. Yeah, Lavanya did the certificate design. Lavanya Agarwal did the BMW design. Okay. Sadia did this one. Archana. Okay. Who? Oh yeah, Meghana. Okay. Did the. Okay, fine. Okay. Who are not did till now? Sharvani, you did any assignment till now? Everything is you done? Sharvani? Okay. Shrija, is it your first class?
Yes, ma'am, this is my first class.
What happened, Shrija? You were joined after, I think, 10 classes over.
There was an issue with, I had actually joined SAP, but then it was not
Okay.
suitable for my laptop, so I had to change later.
Okay. Shrija, you have to download the CorelDraw software.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Student
Yes,
trial
ma'am.
version you will get in the internet. Okay.
Okay,
Please
okay,
download that software. Okay. Any version,
okay.
X5, X6, X7, any of the version you can download it. And please watch whatever the classes I have taken till now. Those videos are, we are already shared in the group. Okay. You have to
Yes, ma'am.
watch
Yes.
those videos and try to send me the assignment. Okay, slowly
Okay, ma'am.
every day try to do the assignment. All these people already sent me the assignment, logo designing, visiting card designing and all. So you have to, because this week only we have holiday 2 3 days, So by the time you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
finish all your assignment, and coming Monday you can show me till whatever the assignment all these people are sent it. Okay, you can
Yeah,
refer.
sure,
Okay,
ma'am.
whoever
Okay,
did
ma'am.
the assignment. Okay,
Okay,
fine.
ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so we'll go to this drop shadow. Okay, so we can apply for the shape, images, and text. Next, we will go to the other effect. So that is the contour effect. Okay, so what I will do, I will select any of the shape, ellipse tool. I will select any of the effect. So any of the shapes, I'll go to this contour, and we have to place it inside here. Can you see everybody? We have to place it like this inside. Okay, so what happened? There is no effect. So can you see here one line here? So that line you have to keep it in between. So now you can see this kind of lines. Okay, so this is also one kind of effect. We can apply it only for the text and shapes. We cannot apply for the images. Okay, so this we can apply for the vectors means the designs what we are creating, okay, which is not downloaded, which is the image format, we cannot give those effects. Okay, we can apply for only the thing we can create it from our side, that in CorelDraw what we are creating, that is the uh, vector based. This is a vector based software, and we have to create ourselves everything. Okay, so here we have different shapes, we can take a different shapes and we can apply on it. So I'll go to this star. Okay, so I will take this one, and I will go to the effect called contour. So I'll just select it like this. Okay, sorry, I'll just keep place it inside here. Okay, yeah, slowly contour. Offset size is large, it is saying. Okay, I'll reduce the size of this. Let me check whether it is applicable or not. Yeah, too large it is saying. We'll take some other shape. We'll go to the star and give some color. Yeah, it is taking for this also. It is not taking. We'll go to the box shape. Okay, we'll go to the box shape finally. Okay, any other colors I'll take. Then go to the contour effect. Yeah, it is taking for this. See again, can you see here white line? You have to bring it in the bottom. So this is the effect you can give it. Okay, so here whenever you will take this effect, so we have an option here in the property window. So there are three colors over there. One is from the outside, and one is the outline color, and there is a color in the inside. Okay, so we can change the, this is the outline option, you people know already, this is the outline thing. Okay, so whatever colors I want, see here, just give different color, by the time we'll get to know what are the changes we are making. Okay, again, if you want you can change the shape of this curve shapes and all. I'll go to the shape tool, and I will just do the changes of this curve. So according to the, with the effects itself, we can do the changes of this. Okay, see like this. Okay, again if you want to go to the effects means here, now, yeah, click on here. Sometime it won't get, means you have to go to this contour. If I select on this contour, you will get this option. So if you'll move it now, if you'll move it till here, then you have an option like this. Yeah, so like this you have an option. Okay, here you have multiple things are there. Look at here. Yeah, you can reduce and increase the size of this. and see like this, how much ever depth you want, so it will give. See, just it is look like it went inside. So like this, only one option only. See, if you remove this lock, okay, you just make it like this. Yeah, slowly. This is lock and unlock option is there. Everybody should try whatever the option I am teaching. Okay, in one shape only we are checking all the options. Very many options are there inside this only. You have to try all this option. Okay, see, in one option only we have multiple options are there. See, in the property window we have multiple options are there. You have to try all these options. Okay, try with the different tools itself. Okay, 3-point rectangle, 3-point ellipse, and this also you can try it. Complex star, spiral, and all you cannot try it. Let me check for this polygon. Okay, so some color will give. Let us see. Yeah, it is applied for this polygon also. Try with the different shapes, and you can change the color. Okay, so whatever the colors you want, you have to give three different colors, then only you can easily will get to know, like you can differentiate the colors. See, outline color, inside color, and the outside color. Okay, so three different colors we have. Okay, so like this you can do the changes of this. Okay, anybody having any doubt, we can apply this for only the vectors. We can apply only for the vectors. That means we can apply for the shapes and text. Okay, so what I will do, see here we have different shape. This also we can go to this basic shapes. Let us see, we can apply for this. I'll select this one basic shape and I'll give the color. For that, let me check whether we can apply. Yeah, it is applying for this also. See here. Okay, you can select it like this. For the same thing, we can give the shadow for this also. We can use the first effect, what I teached in the this thing, first effect. Yeah, first effect also we can give it. Drop shadow effect also we can do it. Okay, drop shadow. I'll just click on this. Yeah, click on this selection tool first. Let me come out with one effect itself. Okay, so I will go to this drop shadow. Yeah, not taking only. Yeah, it is not taking. Let me try myself. Yeah, the contour effect it has taken, no, so it is not taking for this, so it is taking only one effect only. I'll go to the next page and I will try with the text. Okay, yeah, I'll try my name, any of the student name will take. Okay, okay, I'll go to this bold letter because you can see the effect over here. Okay, so what I will do, I will give some color and I'll go to this contour effect and you have to zoom it, and inside this you can give this effect. Okay, who are exiting? And Archana KP, what is the problem? Is there any problem? You're not unable to connect it?
She's facing network issues.
Okay, Archana KP and Daphne, anybody facing? Yeah, they're joining and okay. Okay, we'll go to the class. Yeah, see here again you have a point over here. In that point itself you have to reduce the. Okay, so you want to differentiate with the different color means again you have to go here and see here different colors you can give it. Outline also different colors you can give it. Okay, so just I'll give more lines means it will come here. Yeah, fully sharp. Yeah, square kind of things you want, it means you can add it like this. Okay, so this is the contour effect. Drop shadow is over, contour effect is over. You can select this. If you select it somewhere here, and you will get the color changes of the text. You can give whatever the color of the text also, you can give it here. Okay, suppose you want to give this effect, means you have to click on somewhere in the middle, otherwise you have to select on this contour. So then you will get a effect like this. You will get the effect like this, and you can do the changes of this. Okay, yeah, everything you can check it, but you are not able to find only the square inside this. It will become rounded or bevel. Okay, anybody having any effect with this? So we cannot apply this effect for the images. If I'll import the image, file import, I will apply, I will take any of the image. Okay, some image I will take it. So if I'll give the contour effect, see, it is not applying. So you are not unable to give effect for whatever you taken, means that is not supporting. Okay, it will support only for the text and shapes. Okay, next page 5. Okay, I will add one more page, page 6. Yeah, here again we'll go to the one more effect. What is that? Blend tool. So in the blend tool, it is showing here. Can you see in the left side? Three boxes are there. Three small boxes are there. How the effects are coming? They are showing here itself. So some students, they are getting difficulties, so that time we can see the images here, what kind of effects it is coming here, you can see in the left side itself. So there is an option called blend tool. Okay, so what I will do, I will take two shapes, one is here and one is here. Okay, so I'll take one shape here and one shape here. So what I will do, there is first we'll take the same shape, and we'll go to the blend tool, and I'll just drag and drop it here like this. I'll just drag and drop it here. Yeah, I'll just drag and drop it like this. Okay, so there is a point here in between, you can take it how much ever you want. Okay, so like that we can shape, you can take two different shapes. So I'll take, one is complex star and one is star. Okay, I'll keep it like this, two different shape with two different color. I'll take one for this, one for this. Okay, okay, next I'll go to this blend option. Okay, just drag and drop it here. Okay, now what happened, from left to right, right to from top to down, from down to top, like this also you can drag it, no problem. Okay, but it should connect from one shape to another shape. Okay, it should come connect from one shape to another shape. So for that reason you have to take two different shapes. Okay, always two different shapes are necessary. So if you want to change the color of this shape, first shape, so I can do the changes of the color. See, now what happened, from this color the shading is turning to lightly purple and pink in between, whatever the colors we are getting, so that is the color here. Okay, again I'll select this one here, and I will change it to different color. See, like this it is changing here. Okay, so if I click on this one again, blend, so we'll get the option. Can you see, everybody? See here, see, we can do the blend option. You can do the blend option. Okay, See, whatever the option we are using, for that we have the property window here. So we will increase the size of this. We'll increase the size of this, and we can decrease the size of this. We can decrease the size of this. We'll increase the size of this. Okay. Yeah, how much ever you want, you can do it like this. This is the manually also you can do it. Otherwise, we have an option here that also you can do it. Okay, this is the twist option. See, we can twist. See, the starting shape is not twisting and ending shape is not twisting. Only in between the shapes are twisting. You get that. Okay. Yeah, it is twisting like this. Okay. Yeah. See here, we have an option here, direct blend, like this. Direct blend in the sense we are getting only three colors. Two different shapes are there, two different shading having two basic color. In between one shading color is there. So only these three color we are getting. Second one, we have clockwise blend and anti-clockwise blend. Okay, so if I'll give this one, so automatically it is taking these many colors, means in between whatever the shading, like you people, if you have an idea with the color coding, color combinations, somebody who are more interested in the painting background, so by the time they will get to know, like if you'll mix two three color, like suppose if in the paint, if you'll mix yellow, pink, purple, like you will get many colors. If you mix pink and yellow, you will get one color. If you mix purple and pink, you will get some other color. Okay, so that is a color combination we are getting here. Okay, so just here. So it is not taking any other color. Okay, yeah, clockwise, anti-clockwise, like this. See, look at here again. We have this. Please, you have to practice everything. You have to try all these tools, and okay, no need to this option and all. Do you want- Okay, try all these options and all. Just only the twist clockwise, anti-clockwise. Again, it is twisting from the other side. So mainly, generally, we are not using this much big shapes and all. We are not using. So when you people are doing the logo design, so that time we have to give the effects. So that time we can use this one. Okay. Anybody having any doubt with this effect? Clear it now itself. See how much ever you want this line. You can make. If I remove this outline, so we have this outline. Okay. So I will select this outline having this black color. So I'll select this pen tool and I'll just remove the outline. Null. Then what happened? You will get the color like this. Okay. You'll get the color like this. So now I want to keep, see now I've dragged from top to bottom like this. So I don't want like this. Now I want in one star only, we want multiple stars. So what I'll do, I'll select this one and I'll keep it like this. See, look at here. Yeah. Okay. See, this you can name it as nakshatra jewelry, this thing, something you can add it. You can change the color, whatever things you want, you can do it. Somebody, they want this kind of logo, they can use it. Okay. Yeah. Now, now one more thing is there. I'll just give the outline. Okay. Suppose I will select this shape here outside. There are two shapes we have taken. I will select this shape and I will do the changes of the color. So different color I will give. Yeah, dark green I have not given. See, I can change the color of this. So like that, if I take this shape tool, If I'll take this shape tool and I will make this design like this. So it is changing according to that now. Okay. If anybody feeling difficulties, not able to understand, please tell me now itself. I'll explain you people once again. Okay, see here. So what I'm doing, I'm just selected the shape, not this front shape. Front shape, only this much only. So basic things are over for you people. So you people know how to do this shape tool, how to use this shape tool, correct? So with this shape tool, so we can with the effects. After adding the effect, we can do the changes of the shape. So now I'll just remove the outline. Just I'll give none. Okay. So the thing is, it has become like this. Okay. Again, select this one and bring it here. Yeah, this is one design again. See here now. This is one design. If you want, you can change the color. You select it like this. You change whatever the colors you want. Okay. Again, this is one design. Anybody having any doubt? I'll ask some question for you people. No problem. Priyanka. Priyanka, you have any doubt? Janani, I'm not getting, before Janani is doing any assignments. Now I'm not getting any assignment from
Yes, ma'am.
Janani.
Ma'am, I have sent you my logo, ma'am.
See, when I'm doing the class, you people are sending me the assignment. What shall I
Not
do?
now, ma'am. I
Shall I
had
take
sent
the
you
class?
before 2 days, ma'am.
Okay, 2 days before. Okay, let me check. Okay, Janani, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask you like this CorelDraw that I have downloaded the software, and I
Huh.
think like within there is only 3 days period for me, and it will get closed. So should I uninstall again and install it, or should I pay for it?
You uninstall it and install it once again.
So I'll be able to use it, ma'am.
Yeah, you can use it. Don't no need to
Okay, ma'am.
pay actually. If you want a latest version, any original version, so that time you need to pay. Maybe they are asking 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 like that. I don't know how much we have to pay. So just check if you'll get a free trial version. Just uninstall that only. So maybe you have to give different login ID. Just check it, okay, yourself.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ha. Yukti Sharma, you have any doubt? Is it easy? This effect is easy. In the class, everybody is saying me, yeah, ma'am, we can do it. It's very easy. Okay, but I'm not getting any assignment later. What about Sadia, Meghna, Shweta? Did you send me any assignment till now? Shweta, Shweta, I'm not getting. Who are not talking, I'll think, okay, they're not sending me any assignment. Shrija is come now. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Priyanka, yes. Okay, she sended me the assignment. Okay, Archana, KPI, you sended me. Prapujita, okay, fine, no problem. Divasha, everybody sent it. Okay, fine. Okay, so all are understanding, right? Whatever the effects I'm showing. Okay, fine. We can apply the same effects for the text. Okay, so I'll keep it this one here itself. Okay. So I'll go to the one more page and go to check. Yeah, I will take somebody's name. I'll select the text like this. So we need two text. Okay, the same thing only I will copy it. Okay, I'll select the text. Yeah, I'll select like this, control D. I'll take the duplicate copy of the text. So what I will do, I will give one color for this and one color for this. Two different color I have given. Okay, you can keep it like this. So I will select the text and I will go to this option, blend. I'll just drag and drop it. See what is the problem. See, effect has come now, but we have to join it properly. So I'll keep it on the text. Left click, left click. You have to select the front text. Okay, front text you have to select it, and you have to keep it on this is the last text. Okay, keep it on this last text. Then you can see the effects like this. Okay, you will get a 3D effect. So here if you want we can give the outline. Somewhere outline necessary, somewhere outline is not necessary. So if you give the outline it will come like this. Okay, so if you want to see the effect, so what you have to do, you have to select on this text and again go to the blend mode. Otherwise select everything like this, left click. Okay, select everything like this. Then whatever the property window we have an option here, you can see this option. See here, zoom it and check everything whether the effect is applied or not. Yeah, see the effects are applied. See all these things. So we need some more effect, means we have blend option is there. So clockwise blend, so you can see multiple color with this. Okay, I'll just remove the outline. Okay, so like this, select everything and there is option of blend. Okay, clockwise blend, anti-clockwise blend. Okay, clockwise blend, anti-clockwise blend we have option. Okay, and we have this option like this. Okay, so you people can check all this option and you can change the color of the text also. Whatever the colors you want, you can do the changes of this like this. Okay, yeah, let us see, we can apply drop shadow for this. Okay, I will select this text and the first effect what we given, that is a drop shadow. I'll just drag and drop it here. So with the effects we are adding the drop shadow. Okay, I'll select the full text, then I will go to the drop shadow. Yeah, it is not applying, only the text only you have to select. With the effects you cannot select it, only the text you have, the front text only you have to select it. Otherwise the back text you have to select it. See, zoom it and select this backside text and scroll mouse, use the scroll mouse, easily you can do CorelDraw tools. Okay, drop shadow, drag and drop it like this. So we have the shadows. Okay, we have the shadows like this. We can change the color of the shadows also. We can change the color of the shadows. Okay, sharp you want means I'll just give 5. We'll get the sharp shadows. Okay, so for this you can add the shadows also. Okay, so tomorrow class add like this. You can use this, so this only, and you can create a logo designing. Okay, with this name itself you can add the shape like this, you can add the shape like this. Okay, you can add the shape like this, and you can add the text like this. Okay, Lavanya. Yeah, so this is the logo. This is my logo. Don't give everything colorful. No need to give colorful for everything. See, this is my logo. So this is the design I have, and with that I have this text with this font, very decent font. Okay, so like this you have to give the, yeah, like this over. Okay, for don't use everything, don't make it everything colorful. Okay, so this much is enough. Okay, one effects you people are already given for this. For this also effect, for this also effects. Don't make it messy things. Okay, so neatly you people have to do. And this is the measurements, always you have to use the scales here, rulers, everything you have to use it. This is the ruler, we have to use the ruler for everything, we have to use the ruler. So whether it is there with the center point, or here in the left side or right side. Okay, so use this. Okay, so like this Janani, if you are doing, okay, this is my logo, that means no need to add symbol for this. Yeah, in the Janani, the name itself, the we already given the effects. Yeah, this much is enough. Okay, if you want, add one circle for this, enough. Okay, circle, any light color you can give it, order to back of layer over. Okay, for this also effect, everything if you are giving the effects means there is no importance for this. Okay, how it will happen, if you'll do every day, if you'll wear every day grand dress means what happens, there is no importance for that dress itself. Okay, only on festivals we will use, we will wear the grand dresses or functions, right? So like that. Okay, no need to add effects for everything. Okay, so you should judge yourself. Okay, where we should add, only there itself you have to add the effects. Okay, see, light drop shadow. Yeah, over, my work is over, this much only. Okay, yeah, we'll go to the next effect. Okay, so I will take this page 8, and yeah. Okay, anybody having any doubt about this blend? Okay, next I'll go to the different effect, that is this dot. So this is the effect. We'll go to this is complex star, and I will give the color for this, and we will go to the option called distort, and click on this middle point. See here, this kind of effect you will get. See, yeah, like this effects you will get. You, if you zoom it, you can see the point. Again, if you click on here, see how much ever you want, you can drag it. See the flower kind of effect. Okay, so like this you have to do the changes of this effect. Okay, yeah, so like this outline, you can remove the outline of this effect. You can give some name for this. Okay, so again if I click on here, we have multiple options are there. Look at here, if you can increase the size of the text, and here we have multiple things are there. See, with the flower design itself we can do so many different things here. Okay, so just increase and decrease the size of this. Okay, see here, only less petals, more petals. Okay, so you can take the duplicate copy of this and change the color on this. You can keep this. Okay, again Control D. I'll give some other color. See, on that only you have multiple colors. It will become flower. Anybody having any doubt with this? Okay, let me try. So this will not affect for everything. Suppose if I click on this star, let us see whether it will apply for this or not. I'll go to distort. Then yeah, it is applying for this. Yeah, only this much only it will come. And if I'll increase it and there is a point over here, yeah, only you can select like this and you can do the changes of this. Okay, so and if we click on here, the star only we have multiple options of this star. Okay, see in one fx only we have multiple options are there. Yeah, click on this. Yeah, see here, look at here, like this we have multiple options are there. Okay, okay, anybody having any doubt? So like that you can take multiple options. Okay, you have to check with all the shapes till now, whatever the shapes I have teached you people. In the basic shapes also you have to check with the basic shapes. Okay, I will take this smiley. Let us see whether it will work for this or not. I'll go to this distort shapes and see here, खराब हो गया smiley. See, you can come like this. Okay, so only some shapes you will get a nice effect. Okay, if I'll take this star polygon, okay, if I'll take this polygon shape, I'll increase the size of this and I'll just give some color for this. And I'll go to, if I'll go to the shape tool, we'll get some shape already. For this only, if we'll apply the distort, okay, click on this, see here, yeah, see like this option. Okay, so you can increase and decrease the clockwise, anti-clockwise, it will change. Okay, carefully you have to use it, so it will become, it is hanging. Okay, suddenly it is applied so many effects. So I have given 7 circles, so it is reducing now. 4 circle, like that, Control Z. See, I have given 2 circles, 1, 0. Okay, so like that, Control Z. Okay, so if you click on here, you can see only the effects which is related to this. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to select like this, you have to select like this. Okay, complete shape you have to select. Okay, complete shape you have to select. Okay, otherwise you can click on this distort option and you will get these many options. See here. Okay, anybody having any doubt with this tool? Okay, you can try this kind of effect. With that you can write your name. Okay, suppose I will try this option like this and I'll write any of your names. What is any of your names? Yeah, I can write here Prafujita. Okay, So with that you can add nice text which is matching for this. Okay, check whatever the options we are getting which is matching for this. Okay, like this, reduce the size of this. Yeah, just you can rotate this, select like this, you can rotate like this, you can add in between. Yeah, like this you can do it. Okay, for this one or this also you can add the drop shadow for this. So I'll click on this first tool, drop shadow, and I will add for this. Okay, drop shadow also you can add it. Okay, so everybody should complete the assignment, whoever pending till now, visiting card design, starting logo design, and whatever the logo designs you have to create your own. And this one who are not created, so everybody I told to create from the beginning, so you can use this whatever the effects I have given, so that only you can make it as a logo, and you have to write the name of the logo like this. Okay, you can write your name. So then by the time everything it will get over, next class onwards we have to start the poster design or a pamphlet design. Okay, once this effect will get finished we can start that. Okay, like this you have to do it. So next I'll go to this page 8, next page 9. So everybody keep whatever the works people are doing, so keep it everything in different pages. So by the time you will get to know yeah, step by step all the works are we did like this. Okay, so what I'll do, the same thing we can apply for text now. So till now we applied for the shapes. Okay, we applied for the shapes. Next we will go to the this one, and we will apply for the text. Okay, next who is there? Archana. Okay, I'll take this. Yeah, any of the font you can take it, no problem. Okay, so I'll select this text like this, and we'll go to this and distort, and look at here, it is not coming that much good like how the flower shape has come. Okay, slowly slightly you have to use it, you cannot use more. Okay, so only little bend you can give it. Okay, if you want you can use it, no problem. Okay, we cannot use more effect for this. Anybody having any doubt? Okay, 4 effects are over. Please try all this option. Okay, so drop shadow, contour, blend, and distort, these 4 options you have to try today and send me the assignments. Whatever the works you people are doing, it is okay for me, no problem. Okay, so just try it from yourself, all these options, and write any name of yours. Okay, so just only the distort text it will apply like this, only arc shapes and all you want to give it means. So that time slowly you can add this effect, slowly you can add, slowly. Okay, again you have manually also you can do it here, manually you can give the values like this. Okay, if you are not unable to move it from one place to another place, all these things manually, in the property window you will have an option here, manually the property window you will have an option like this. Okay, see rotation, slowly you should do it. See, I have given more this thing, it will now circle it. Okay, and system will become slow because if I'll add more effects and all. Okay, we should be careful with this kind of effects, these are very high end effects, you know, it has happened like this. Okay, so we should be very careful with this. Okay. So anybody having any doubt?